Practice set 7.1. Question number first. Write the following statement using the symbols of the variation. By the symbol, you have to write the equation of the variation. So I will say that first example is circumference C of the circle. Circumference is represented by C of the circle is directly proportional to the radius. Means circumference of the circle is directly proportional to the radius. Means circumference of the circle is directly varies with the radius. So I will write this as circumference of the circle. This is the proportion of the sign of the proportion. This circumference of the circle directly varies with what you have to say radius, and I will say that C is directly proportional to R. By symbolically you have to represent this like this: C is directly proportional to R. Then second one is consumption of the petrol in a car is and the distance traveled by car are are direct variation. Means the consumption of the petrol is represented by L and the distance traveled by the car is represented by D. Means when you will cover the more distance, at that time you require the more petrol, and if you will cover the less distance, at that time you will require the less petrol. So you have to say that there is a direct variation in between the consumption of the petrol and the distance covered by the car. So I will say that consumption of the petrol is directly varies with distance covered by the car. So I will say that L is directly varies with D. Means this is the sign of the variation. So I will say that L is directly proportional to D, or L is directly varies with D. Means consumption of the petrol is directly varies with the distance covered by the car. Then friends, you have to start with the question number second of exercise number 7.1. Complete the following table considering that the cost of the apple and the number of cost of the apple and the number of apples are in the direct proportion. The example is like this: if you will purchase one number of apple, at that time the cost of the apple is 8 rupees. If you will purchase the 4 number of apple, that time cost is 22 rupees. If you will purchase the X apples, at that time cost is 56. If you will purchase the 12 apple, at that time cost is Y rupees. And if you will purchase the X apples, at that time cost is 160. Means you have to find, here you have to find out X, here you have to find out Y, here you have to find out X. And what is given? This number of apple is directly varies with the cost of apple. So I will say that number of apple is directly varies with the cost of apple. This one is given. So I will say that the number of apple is represented by X and the cost of apple is represented by Y. I will say that X is directly proportional to Y. If you want to remove this proportionality sign, at that time X is equal to, you have to write the constant of proportionality K into what you have to say Y. So I will say that X is equal to K into Y. This is equation 1. So once we will get the equation, at that time you have to find out the constant of proportionality K by putting X is equal to 1 and Y is equal to 8. Otherwise you have to put X is equal to 4 and Y is equal to 32. So I will put these values like this. So first find K when X is equal to 1 and Y is equal to 8. So X is equal to K into Y. I will say that this is from 1. From 1 X is equal to K into Y. So you will put X as 1 and Y as 8. At that time value of K will come 1 upon 8. Once you will get the value of K, at that time it is very easy to find out the value of X, value of Y and value of X. So then value of K is equal to 1 upon 8. Here you have to find out the value of X. You have to say that X is equal to question mark. Here value of Y is given, Y is equal to 56. You have to write Y is equal to 56. You have to write equation 1 as X is equal to K into Y. Then X is equal to, value of K is 1 upon 8. Value of Y is 56. So I will say that 8 1s are 8. 8 7s are 56. Therefore X is equal to, here value will come 7. This value will come 7. Then here again you have to find out Y when X is equal to 12. value of k is every time constant. K is equal to 1 upon 10, x is equal to 12. You have to find out the value of y. From 1 you have to say that x is equal to k into y. So 12 is equal to 1 upon 8 into y. Because k is equal to 1 upon 8, x is equal to 12. 12, 8s are 96. So y is equal to 96 will come. So here y value will come. Y is equal to 96. Here you have to find out value of x, which y is equal to 160 and k is equal to 1 upon 10. K is equal to 1 upon 8. X is equal to, you have to find out, y is equal to 160. So x is equal to k into y. From 1 you have to say, from 1 x is equal to k into y. X is equal to, k value of k is 1 upon 8 into 160. So you will say that 8 1s are 8, 8 20s are. From that you will get x is equal to 20. From that I will say that x is equal to 20. In this way you have to find out the value of x and y. First of all you have to find out you have to frame the equation of the variation, and after that you have to find out the value of k by putting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 8. Once you will get with the value of k, then you have to put the value of y and k here, and you have to find out x, and here you have to put the value of k and x is equal to 12. At that time you have to find out the value of y is equal to 96. Here you have to put the value of k as 1 upon 8 and y as 160. At that time we will get the value of x as 20. In this way you have to solve this example. Write this example in the classwork notebook properly. Thank you.